And now the kids have gone to bed, just quickly show you around it. Looks nice. There's a bit of residue from the super glue I had to use, but apart from that, it does look nice. At the moment, functionality wise, the bucket drop works quite nicely, comes up nicely too. But we do have a lot of things here coming off. I do have a lot of binding. Oh, is it just loosened up? No, there we go. Pulling the leg off, got a lot of binding. The bucket drop. Oh dear. And if people, put it back on. People are wondering how big this thing is. Oh, they are standard size dinner baked beans for reference. All in all, I'm very happy with it. Looks cool. Just need to loosen her up a bit. There you go.